So this bit we've all covered recently. I think in terms of films, I can publish in numerous formats. I can do a hyperlapse again, which seems to delight lots of people but makes lots of people angry because they always go it's too fast. I never just publish the hyperlapse. There'll always be a slowed down version as well. Actually, I begin to think that the race has just started. Because there seems to be a lot of joggers now. If you're going to go out jogging, now is the right time of day to do it. That's 2 kilometres done. Strange sound coming from the right. No idea what that is. And bearing in mind that I'm doing the street view film, I'm going to stick to the path here rather than walk past those nice new shades they've got, which seems to have been completed now. If you saw the last film I did, that half of them hadn't been given their roofs. They all have now. That would be an interesting place to film at night there. I'm getting deluged with joggers now. I'll get out of the Chep's way. I think I'll just go onto the side, I think. When I get a chance, I'll cross over. Actually, I'll go here. Yes, always keep into oncoming traffic. Now if it's a 5 kilometre run, I'm guessing they'll be turning around soon. Go to one side again. It's getting rather crowded. Oh, we do appear to be turning around just up here.
Carry on.
That's interesting, because now they're coming on the other side. I wonder when that crossover appeared on the route. Gonna give the automatic camera blur feature of Street Views a lot of work to do. All I can say is I'm just glad that I don't have to do that. I'll give them a bit of room here. Oh, I could be mean and move that back a metre or two. Right, it's got to get a bit more peaceful now. But fair play to all those joggers. And I can see people walking along the coast path up ahead, which is excellent, because last time I was here that was blocked off. The question is, do I stop filming here and start again, or do I wait till I get to Venus Beach? I'm not sure how long that bit is there. It won't be that long actually, because it's only Tomb of the Kings. Mind you, if I stop here, it'll mean that I know that the footage is definitely saved. So I think I'll do that on that bench that's just by the front of Tomb of the Kings. Give my arm a break as well. Oh, okay, it's a yellow flag today, so we do get changed. And when we get closer, we can see what the yellow flag says. This is the Elysium Hotel. Very nice there. And apparently, you can get a day pass to go there and use their facilities for €30. I say apparently because the question came up on our Paphos chat group, and I seem to recall, oh, yellow flag apparently says a rough sea, no lifeguard on duty. I mean, they might just be covering themselves there because it's by no stretch of the imagination rough. Anyway, yes, so you obviously inquire first before just turning up at the hotel, but you could use the indoor facilities. I didn't have it confirmed whether that included a steam bath, because I'm a big fan of them, but it'd be worth it because it's lovely inside. Anyway, I'm going to stop here. That's 15 minutes if you're wondering how long it takes to get that far from the Lighthouse Beach. I have to say my arm was cramping up then. I can explain my rig. I've got a long pole with a 360 camera on top of it, and about a third of the way up it I've got the regular camera attached to the side with the media attachment and the muffler. So all in all I look a proper nerd, which is another reason for doing it early in the morning. I was going to say when there's no one around, but of course this morning there were loads of joggers. Pardon me. So this is all new territory, and on the way back I'll be photographing it all to do a nice article because I haven't been in this bit yet. It's getting quite hot now. I'm glad I got my hat on. Interesting little holes here. The jogger looks like he's had enough. There's a funny little statue up here, which I'll ignore for now, I think, because of the street view aspect, but I will photograph on the way back.